So in my book, Confluence Not Coincidence, I use what I call EMA Cloud, a bit of software that I developed quite a long time ago to help me with non-linear support and resistance and basic trade management. So check it out in the book. Wherever you are in the world watching this video, I actually give the EMA Cloud away for free. It's $99. There is a link down below if you wanted to buy it. But if you get the book, I give that away and another $100 piece of software away for free in the book with a QR code. So go search Google or Amazon and get the book and get this software for free. So I want to go through a couple of examples now using different instruments to show you how the EMA Cloud works. Okay, so let me just reduce my head because it's massive on there. So we're going to look at stocks, forex, futures and crypto. Okay, we're going to look at one example of each. So this is actually a stock I'm in at the moment, and I just wanted to go through the EMA clouds here. So I've got two EMA clouds. I've got a 55 and an 89. Okay, so what I use these for, 55 and 89 are something that I developed for EMA clouds for stock trading a long time ago. They respect extremely well. The reason why I'm using two is to understand. I always want the grey above the purple because the grey is the 55. That gives me that first initial feeling that yes, we are bullish. Okay, and then I use them combined to look at the support they provide, non-linear support or resistance if I'm going short during a move. Okay, so I can feel more comfortable if those hold. Okay, so we can see if I just zoom out a little bit here, even when we had this big move up and the grey moved above the purple, we were going down, the grey still stayed above the purple at this point, and then we got the big move up in coin. I've got the xBrat algo on there just to show you that once you get a signal for this, it doesn't matter what signal you're using, the xBrat algo, I'm going to put the link down below, it's a signal generator, it's an algorithm that says, hey, go buy, 6-star buy. It's like a 6-star hotel, 6 out of 6, it's really good. Obviously you'd go long at that point here where it breaks that previous pivot, and we can see the grey is just slightly moving now above, so we're more in a bullish state. Then we come back down. So for me, when I'm investing in stocks, I'm going to be making sure that my average position, is at 90.54 here. When we come down to this point here, there's no need to panic, because and a lot of the time it does, holds the 89 EMA cloud like this and then pushes back up again, we could say this is a normal profit taking pullback and this is really good, and then I get an opportunity to add to my position. You see how the grey stays above the purple holds as non-linear support, and then we get another 6-star buy here to add more stocks at 163.42, and this is where we are now at 232.67. So for stocks traders, extremely good, especially if you're an investor and trader in stocks. Let's look at a different example now on forex. Okay, so in this case we're on a 12-minute. Why 12-minute? 12 goes into 60, which is 1 hour exactly. It's a really good time frame. Euro US dollar on the 12-minute. I wanted to show you two options. I've still got two EMAs on here, but this is day trading. So I'm on the pink one is the 34, and more aggressive is the green when we're looking to manage. So a lot of the time what I'm looking for is, once we get a signal, again I'm using xBrat algo in each one of these, so it's just simple to see. We get a 4, a 5, a 6-star buy, momentum is building up, we get a really nice move up here. So my green is my sorry, that's the signal. My green is my aggressive trade management, but first of all, I always look left. Look what left. We've got a pivot here. There is going to be a natural, not sell-off, but profit-taking pullback at this point. So I revert at that point to my conservative EMA cloud, the pink. As long as that holds, I'm staying in the trade. It holds and pushes up. At that point, that's where my trading stop would be, okay, at this point here. So my entry was down here. I'm already risk-free. Once it hits this pivot, we're then allowing the EMA Cloud at 34 on day trading to hold us support. Once we get into fresh air and there's no pivots to the left, we then switch to our more aggressive EMA Cloud, and once it breaks down below that at this point here, that's where we take the profit. Just here, okay? So most retail traders panic at this point and they take profit, okay? This is where the EMA Cloud comes in really, really strongly, because once you get the right settings, again, 55.89 for on the daily time frame for stocks. When we're looking at sort of 10 to 15 minute time frames with forex, we're looking at a 34 and a 13. The 13 being aggressive. 34 is our last chance saloon. It's our support or resistance. We can see now we've had a 4 and a 5 star sell signal and we're starting to go down. Our aggressive EMA Cloud is now moving down below. This is how we would manage that trade in the future. So let's go to the next. And we're going to now look at futures. I've got one EMA Cloud on here because when we are scalping, and this is NQ, this is the biggest scalping machine in the world because it's so volatile and so fast. So on here, I've got a 21 EMA. Only got that, okay? I know from past experience when we get the runners, this is a great time to chance to manage these trades. So 5, 6 star sell, great trade. Yeah, all the way down. Don't panic. When it pulls back, don't panic. See how it respects that 21 EMA Cloud. We get another 6 star sell signal at this point. Okay, there was an opportunity to add to our position, but hey, the momentum's already down. We're going for this one. And then when it comes back up above, we close out and take the profit from the trade. Right now, we just had another 6 star sell signal. We're going short. We know it's going to find support this previous overnight pivot. Right now, we take the profit on that point there. Really, really simple. You can be more aggressive. Depends on the time frame you're going to use. But I just wanted to show you a futures example. And now, a crypto example. And this is why I want to show you the versatility of the EMA Cloud. So, I've been in Bitcoin quite a long time, been trading Bitcoin futures the last year or so. One of the things that I have settings wise, even on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, again, I'm looking for adding to positions and holding, is instead of my purple being 89, I have a 127. My 89 is the gray, okay, because behavior is different to stocks. And this is through back testing to understand where that is. So we can see we have in 2021, 2022, the gray is below, okay? There's no buying opportunities at this point. Once we start to go into 2023, we start to see some 6 star buy signals on the xBrat algo. There's some good trading opportunities there, some good buying opportunities. Grays above the purple on the EMA Clouds, really, really strong. When we come back along this point here, we merge. It doesn't come down below. The bullish sentiment still stays, and then it just continues to go up. We get a pullback. It finds non-linear support in the 89 and the 127 just there, and then we get 5 and 6 star buy signals here. Okay, so did any of you buy Bitcoin at 44? It's almost at 67,000. Okay, so this was another opportunity to buy, and this is what I look for. But I also look to ensure that we're in a good bullish state and to see that non-linear support from the EMA Cloud holds as well. So lots of different examples there. Again, the EMA Cloud is $99 for life. It's available for lots of platforms. Check out the link below, but you can get it for free if you spend $50 on my book. And you also get another bit of software, the volume behavior indicator, for free in the book as well. So the book is called Confluence Not Coincidence. Again, just to show you the cover. So when you go and search, go search on Google, go and search on Amazon, get the book, use the QR code, and you can get this EMA Cloud and another one for free. So hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.